What's going on, sixth graders? Short week after Labor Day. Hope y'all had a great long weekend. Let's talk about today's lesson. Now, of course, each week we're going to be going to code.org. Going to code.org. So you're going to go to quick links, and you have to go through Clever to get to code.org. You always log in with Google. And you're going to look for the icon code.org. It's 4 boxes. It spells CODE. And I think you'll really like this lesson. It's called Drawing with Loops. So you're looking for this icon right here, code.org. Moving a little slow this morning. Here we go. And at the top of your screen, it should say, let me get all my different classes loaded. And I love code.org because I can see your progress. Even though that, you're at home working on this from home, you don't have to turn anything in. When you get something done, it notifies me that you are complete. Okay? So you should say Course E 2020. I'm going to choose this little grid view, and just my personal preference. It's a little bit easier to track your progress. And we're on this week, lesson 2, drawing with loops. So we're going to click bubble number 1. And then when you click bubble number 1, you're going to watch this video. So I'm going to go ahead and watch it for it so you're already watching it here. One moment.
You wouldn't even qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer sciences because of how much data the cars collect and the necessity to be able to have people that can write programs to figure out how you can continue to build performance. In these puzzles, you'll be an artist that uses a pencil to draw different shapes, so wherever your artist goes, it will draw a line behind them. To move around the canvas, you'll use the Move Forward block. Here, the Move Forward block says move forward by 100 pixels. When we hit run, what happens? The artist moves forward a certain amount, and that amount is 100 pixels. Pixels are basically very tiny squares on your computer screen. The other block we have in this puzzle says turn right by 90 degrees. And when we drag that out, that makes our artist turn a certain amount. So you can play around with how far you want the artist to turn. This is a 90-degree turn. And this is a 120-degree turn. And remember, you can change these values by clicking the arrows next to the numbers for pixels and degrees. Enjoy drawing with your artist.
Sorry about that, guys. Had to help a student with their Chromebook. Okay, so you watched the video that kind of showed you the ins and outs of the drawing lab. So go ahead and click continue. You watch that again if you need to, if you want to. Now, bubble number 2 is just kind of practice, free play, trying to figure out how to use all these different pixels and change the different degrees. Now, what I did in class, and this is something that you can do if you want, I kind of challenged everyone to draw, and bear with me here. Yeah, that's pretty good. I challenge them all to draw a simple house, a box, kind of like my picture, kind of messed up, with a triangle on top for the roof. There's only a few students that did that. So right now, pause this video, try it for a few minutes, see if you can mess around and create a house with a triangle. Okay, now that you've tried that, you'll go ahead and click next or finish. Of course, I didn't draw anything. And I'm going to step 3, bubble 3. And again, the rest of this is yours. You're going to go all the way to 11. Now, I will tell you, in class yesterday, 7 is a challenge. Don't skip it. It's going to be a challenging one. And also, number 11 is challenging. So, yes, they're going to be a little difficult. You can persevere, get through. You can always ask for hints using that. It can also be read to you. Remember, start over from last week. And also, this is big. This tells you the answer. You can only use 4 blocks. So you may be able to solve it, but you have to use the amount of blocks they're telling you to use there. Okay, so that was lesson 2, coding, drawing with loops. So you're going to code that guy, and you're going to tell it the directions over here. Click run, and hopefully it'll do what it's supposed to do. And that, again, is lesson 2, drawing with loops. I'm Mr. Noakes, and I'm out.